curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How do scientists discover the hidden truths of the universe? They use the scientific method. It all begins with a simple observation. Scientists notice something specific happening in the natural world. This observation immediately leads to a question. Why exactly does the plant bend toward the light? Before guessing, scientists conduct background research to see what data has already been discovered. Next, they form a hypothesis. This is a highly specific, testable prediction about what will happen. To test the hypothesis, scientists design a controlled experiment to gather precise, measurable data. The independent variable is the one specific factor the scientist actively changes, like the light's direction. The dependent variable is the exact data you measure, like how far the plant actually bends. Controlled variables are locked in. For example, temperature, water, and soil must remain exactly the same for fairness. As the experiment runs, scientists meticulously collect all the raw, numerical data in real time. During data analysis, they turn those raw numbers into clear graphs to find hidden mathematical patterns. Finally, they draw a conclusion. Does the analyzed data directly support the original hypothesis? If the data contradicts the prediction, that is still great science. They simply form a new hypothesis. Scientists must communicate their results by publishing detailed reports for the entire world to read. This allows for peer review. Other scientists replicate the exact experiment to verify the accuracy. Remember, observe, hypothesize, test with controlled variables, analyze the data, and communicate your results. Every great discovery starts with a question. Stay curious and test your hypothesis. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.